The Volvo XC90 infotainment system, particularly in models from 2016 onwards, can experience freezes, black screens, or software glitches. Newer models from 2023 and later use Google Automotive Services, an Android-based platform, while older models from 2016 to 2022 use Census Connect, which is Linux-based. Resetting the system is often the first step in resolving these issues. There are three main types of resets: a soft reboot, which is a quick restart, a hard reset, which involves disconnecting the battery, and a factory reset, which performs a full data wipe. Before performing a reset, ensure your software is up to date via over-the-air updates to avoid unnecessary data loss. Remember, resets are diagnostics, not cures. Persistent issues require professional attention. To perform a soft reboot, press and hold the power button on the center console for 3 to 5 seconds until the screen turns off and restarts. For a hard reset, disconnect the vehicle's battery for 10 to 15 minutes with the ignition off, then reconnect. This clears the cache. A factory reset erases all user data. For newer models, go to Settings, System, Reset Options. For older models, hold volume and skip buttons on the steering wheel for 5 seconds. For black screen issues, check for faulty USB ports or HDMI cables first. If problems persist after these steps, a scan using Volvo's Vita software may be needed to diagnose underlying hardware or software faults. Always consult your Volvo owner's manual or a certified dealer for specific instructions and to avoid voiding warranties.